Hi friends, welcome to the Zeal of the Power Aspirants YouTube channel. Please subscribe and click on bell icon for more videos. In this video, I want to explain TS ESET 2021 electrical paper held on 3rd August 2021, Shift 1, Part 3. Question number 121. The current is measured by a clamp meter by sensing the dash around the conductor. The given options are option A electrical field, option B charge, option C magnetic field, option D electric and magnetic field. The correct answer is option C magnetic field. Next question number 122. An AC series circuit consisting of a resistance of 6 ohms and an inductive reactance of 8 ohms is connected to a single phase 200 volts 50 Hz AC supply. The current flowing in the circuit would be. The given options are option A 10 amperes, option B 14.3 amperes, option C 25 amperes, option D 20 amperes. The correct answer is option D 20 amperes. Question number 123. Three elements R equal to 1 by 3 ohms, L equal to 1 by 4 Henry and C equal to 3 farads are connected in series across input voltage V of t equal to sin 2t. The phase angle difference between supply voltage and current flowing through the circuit is dash. The given options are option A 30 degrees, option B 60 degrees, option C 45 degrees, option D 75 degrees. The correct answer is option C 45 degrees. The phase sequences available in a polyphase system are given as YB RYB, BY RYB, BRY BR, RBY RB, RYB RY, YRB YR, RYB RYB, RBY RBY, YBR YBR, YRB YRB, BRY BRY and BYR BYM. How many sequences are actually available in it? This is question number 124. The given options are option A 9, option B 3, option C 2, option D 6. The correct answer is option C 2. Next question number 125. Identify the correct statement from the following. The given options are option A. In delta connected three-phase system, line current lags behind the respective phase current by 30 degrees. Option B. In delta connected three-phase system, phase current lags behind the respective line current by 30 degrees. Option C. In star connected three-phase system, the phasor sum of all the phase voltages is 0. Option D. In star connected three-phase system, line voltage lags behind the respective voltage by 30 degrees. The correct answer is option A. In delta connected three-phase system, line current lags behind the respective phase current by 30 degrees. Next, question number 126. A transformer exhibits maximum efficiency when the given options are option A. Variable loss equal to constant loss, option B. Primary copper loss equal to secondary copper loss, option C. No load iron loss equal to no load copper loss, option D. No load iron loss equal to full load copper. The correct answer is option A. Variable losses equal to constant losses. Next, question number 127. Generally, the no load current drawn by a transformer is dash of the full load current. The given options are option A 2 to 5%, option B 10 to 15%, option C 0.2 to 0.5%, option D 20 to 30%. The correct answer is option A 2 to 5%. Question number 128. Which of the following conditions are necessary for parallel operation of two single phase transformers that we should have? First one same polarity, second one kVA rating, third one efficiency, fourth one voltage regulation, fifth one reactance by resistance ratio. The given options are A 1 and 2 only, B 1 and 4 only, C 2 and 5 only, D 2 and 3 only. The correct answer is option D 2 and 3 only. The second one kVA rating and third one efficiency. Next, question number 129. The full load copper loss of a transformer is 150 watts. At off full load, the copper loss is released. The given options are option A 40 watts, option B 120 watts, option C 160 watts, option D 80 watts. The correct answer is option A 40 watts. Next, question number 130. Which of the following transformers can be determined only from a sampler test? The given options are option A temperature rise, option B voltage regulation, option C stray losses, option D all efficiency. The correct answer is option A temperature rise. Thank you for watching, friends. If you want solutions for this video, please give more likes to make me encouraged and to do more videos. Thank you.